everyone, and welcome back to English for All, the podcast where we practice real, everyday English together. I'm Roxy.
And I'm John. Really happy you're here with us today.
So, today's topic is one of my absolute favorites, because it is the number one topic of small talk in the English-speaking world.
We are talking about the weather.
The weather. I know, it sounds simple, but here's the thing. Talking about the weather is not just about the weather.
Exactly. In English, especially in British English, the weather is how you start a conversation. It's how you connect with a stranger. It's how you break the ice.
Break the ice. That means to start a conversation and make people feel comfortable. The weather is a great way to break the ice. And in the UK, people talk about the weather constantly.
Constantly. Every day. Rain, sun, wind, clouds. It doesn't matter. Someone will mention it.
So if you can talk about the weather naturally in English, you can start a conversation with anyone, anywhere. That is a superpower for a language learner.
By the end of today, you'll know exactly how to describe the weather, how to react to it, and how to use it to connect with other English speakers.
And if this podcast is helping you, please hit subscribe and leave us a comment below. We love hearing from you. Okay, let's look outside. What's the weather like today?
Let's find out. All right, the most important question in weather English is this one. What's the weather like?
What's the weather like? Say it with us. What's the weather like? This is the most natural way to ask about the weather. Not how is the weather, though that's correct too. But what's the weather like is what real English speakers say every day.
And the answer? It depends on what's happening outside. So let's go through the most important weather words.
Sunny. The sun is shining. It's bright and warm. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's sunny and warm today.
Cloudy. The sky has a lot of clouds, not much sun. It's quite cloudy this afternoon. The sky is very cloudy.
Rainy. It's raining. Water is falling from the sky. It's really rainy today. Or simply, it's raining. It's raining outside.
Now, in English, especially British English, we have many ways to talk about rain. Because in the UK, it rains a lot.
A lot. So we have drizzle. Very light, soft rain. Almost like mist. It's just drizzling. You don't need an umbrella.
And then a shower. A short period of rain. It doesn't last long. There might be a few showers this afternoon. It's just a shower. It'll pass.
And then pouring. Very heavy rain. Lots of water. Very fast. It is absolutely pouring outside. Don't go out without a jacket.
3 types of rain. Drizzle, light. A shower, short. Pouring, heavy. Very useful.
Then we have windy. There is a lot of wind. It's very windy today. Hold on to your hat. It was so windy this morning.
Foggy. There is fog. Fog is like a thick cloud at ground level. You can't see very far. Drive carefully. It's foggy this morning.
Snowy. It's snowing. Snow is falling. It's snowy and cold today. It snowed last night. And icy. The ground is covered in ice. Very dangerous for walking. Be careful. The roads are icy.
And of course, hot, warm, cold, freezing. It's absolutely freezing today. Freezing means extremely cold. Much stronger than just cold.
Let's hear all of these in a quick dialogue. John and I are talking at the start of the day, just like 2 friends or colleagues would do.
Morning, Roxy. Did you walk in today?
I did. Big mistake. It is absolutely pouring out there. I'm completely soaked.
Oh no. I saw it was rainy this morning, but I thought it was just drizzling.
It started as drizzle, but then, wow, heavy rain. What's the forecast for this afternoon?
I checked this morning. Apparently there'll be a few more showers, but it should clear up by evening.
Clear up. I love that. It should clear up. That means the rain will stop and the sky will become bright again.
Exactly. It's clearing up. The weather is improving. The clouds are going away.
Soaked. Completely wet. I am absolutely soaked. You can also say drenched. I got drenched in the rain. Both mean the same thing. You are very, very wet.
The forecast. The weather forecast is the prediction for the weather. What will the weather be like tomorrow? Next week? What does the forecast say? The forecast looks good for the weekend.
It should clear up. Clear up means the weather improves. The rain stops. The sun comes out. It always clears up in the afternoon. Beautiful phrase.
Okay, now we know how to describe the weather, but equally important, how to react to it. Because in English, weather reactions are a huge part of everyday conversation.
These are the little phrases that make you sound natural. Not just correct, but genuinely fluent.
When it's very hot, you might say, it's boiling. Boiling means extremely hot, like boiling water. It is absolutely boiling in here. Can we open a window?
Or, what a scorcher. A scorcher is an informal word for a very hot day. 35 degrees? What a scorcher.
When it's cold, it's freezing. We said this one already. Bundle up, it's freezing outside. Bundle up means to put on lots of warm clothes.
Or, there's a real chill in the air. A chill, a cold feeling, not extreme but noticeable. Put on a jacket, there's a real chill today.
When the weather is unexpectedly nice, lovely day, isn't it? This is classic British small talk. You say it to strangers at the bus stop, to your neighbor, to anyone.
And the natural reply? Beautiful, isn't it? Makes such a difference. Makes such a difference means the good weather changes your mood. It makes everything feel better.
And when the weather is terrible, what awful weather, or miserable weather today, isn't it? Miserable, making you feel very unhappy. The weather is absolutely miserable.
Let's hear these reactions in a dialogue. This time, two people at a bus stop. A classic English moment.
Lovely day, isn't it?
Oh, gorgeous. Really makes a difference after all that rain last week.
Doesn't it? I was starting to forget what the sun looked like.
Honestly, same. Have you seen the forecast for the weekend?
I have. Apparently, it's going to stay sunny through Saturday, but cloud over on Sunday.
Oh, well, you can't have it all, can you?
Typical. At least it's nice today.
Exactly. Enjoy it while it lasts. You can't have it all. You can't have everything perfect at the same time. It's a very English, very relaxed way to accept life's small disappointments.
Enjoy it while it lasts. Enjoy something good because it might not continue for long. The sun is out. Enjoy it while it lasts. So true in the UK.
Cloud over. When the sky becomes cloudy, the sun disappears. It will cloud over this afternoon. Another great phrasal verb for weather.
And notice, that entire conversation was between two strangers at a bus stop. They didn't know each other, but the weather gave them a reason to talk. That's the magic of weather small talk.
Section 3. Seasons. Because talking about the weather also means talking about the time of year.
There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Say them with us. Spring, summer, autumn, winter.
In American English, autumn is called fall. Both are correct. In British English, autumn. In American English, fall.
Let's describe each season quickly. Spring, March, April, May. It gets warmer. Flowers start to bloom. Spring is my favorite season. Everything comes back to life.
Summer. June, July, August. Hot and sunny, hopefully. Summers in the UK can be unpredictable. Unpredictable means you never know what to expect. The British summer is very unpredictable.
Autumn or fall. September, October, November. Leaves change color and fall from the trees. It gets cooler. I love autumn. The colors are beautiful.
Winter, December, January, February. Cold, dark, sometimes snowy. Winter mornings are so difficult. It's dark when I wake up.
And a great question you can ask anyone. What's your favorite season? Or do you prefer hot or cold weather?
These are perfect conversation starters. Let's hear one last dialogue, and this time, it's a real preference conversation. John, what's your favorite season?
Definitely summer. I love the long evenings and the warm weather. What about you?
I'm an autumn person, actually. I love it when the leaves turn orange and red, and I love wearing cozy jumpers and drinking hot tea.
That does sound very cozy. Do you like winter at all?
I don't mind winter if it snows. Snow makes everything look so beautiful. But gray, rainy, cold winter? No, thank you.
I completely agree. Give me sunshine any day.
Give me sunshine any day. That means I always prefer sunshine. Any day means always, without exception. Give me a warm beach any day.
I don't mind. I'm okay with it. It's not my favorite, but it's acceptable. I don't mind cold weather if I'm dressed for it. A really useful, very natural phrase.
Cozy, warm, comfortable, and safe feeling. A cozy jumper. A cozy evening by the fire. This word is used a lot in autumn and winter.
And long evenings. In summer, especially in northern countries, it stays light very late. I love the long summer evenings. It feels like the day never ends.
Okay, friends, time to wrap up. What a lovely episode this has been.
Let's recap everything we covered today. These are your key weather phrases. Take them, use them, make them yours.
Describing the weather. What's the weather like? It's sunny, cloudy, windy, foggy. It's drizzling. There's a shower. It's absolutely pouring. It's freezing. It's boiling.
Reacting to the weather. Lovely day, isn't it? Beautiful. Makes such a difference. What awful weather. Miserable day today. What a scorcher. There's a real chill in the air.
Weather changes. It's clearing up. It'll cloud over. Enjoy it while it lasts. The forecast says it should improve by.
Seasons and preferences. What's your favorite season? I love summer, autumn, spring. Do you prefer hot or cold weather? I don't mind winter if it snows.
Look at how much you've learned today. Weather vocabulary, reactions, seasons, preferences, and 3 full conversations. You are already improving. We mean it.
Now, here's your challenge for this week. Tomorrow morning, look out of the window and describe the weather in English, out loud, even if nobody is listening.
It's quite cloudy this morning. Oh, it's drizzling again. What a beautiful sunny day. Just one sentence, every day.
Because every time you do that, every time you find the English word before the word in your own language, you get a little bit closer to fluency.
Now, our community question, and it's a perfect one for today.
Tell us in the comments, what is the weather like where you live right now? And what is your favorite season, and why?
Write it in English. Something like, right now it's sunny and warm in Brazil. My favorite season is summer because I love the beach. Or, It's freezing in Canada right now. I prefer autumn. It's so beautiful.
We love reading your answers from all around the world. It's one of our favorite parts of this podcast.
If today's episode was useful, please share it with a friend who is learning English. And subscribe if you haven't already. We have so many more episodes coming.
Thank you so much for listening. Whatever the weather is where you are right now, we hope your day is sunny on the inside.
Until next time, take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.